The Criminal Code of Procedure, CrPC, provides for the procedure for arrest, prosecution, and bail. Recently Parliament replaced it with Bhartiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS. Most of the provisions of BNSS is same as CrPC. Let's see new provisions. BNSS provides for E-FIR, which can be filed online now, and police have to take action on it within 2 days. Now you can also file FIR in any police station, and it will be police duty to transfer case to related police station. The BNSS allows up to 15 days of police custody. The use of handcuffs is permitted in a range of cases, including economic offences, though Supreme Court held handcuffs violates fundamental right, under Article 21. BNSS made forensic investigation compulsory, for offences punishable with 7 years of jail or more. Forensic experts will visit crime scenes to collect forensic evidence and record the process. Police have to record video while investigating or searching your house. All trials, inquiries, and proceedings can be held in electronic mode. Police may collect signatures or handwriting, finger impressions and voice samples for investigation or proceedings. Samples can also be taken from a person who has not been arrested. Trial of absentia is allowed, means court will give 90 days time period to be present in court. If person didn't came then, court can start case without him, her and can also give death penalty. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share for more of such videos.